Hi, my name is Chloe Celniker, and I studied the possible energy savings at the UC Davis campus by using reflective paint on exterior walls. I am a senior environmental science and management major, and this project is my honors thesis. My project was to calculate the energy, cost, and greenhouse gas emission savings if the UC Davis campus repainted exterior walls with higher albedo paint. Reflective paint makes the inside of buildings cooler. This is shown in the graphic, where more energy is reflected off the light wall and less heat enters the building. Less air conditioning is needed, which saves energy, money, and greenhouse gas emissions. I calculated source energy, cost, CO2, CO2 equivalent, NOx, and SO2 emission savings using the Cool Buildings Saving Explorer created by Pablo Rosado and Brennan Levinson at Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory. I did calculations for 56 buildings, which were all of the painted buildings I could get downloaded energy data for. My results assume all exterior walls are repainted with a higher albedo paint. The walls originally had an albedo of 0.25, but after repainting, they have an albedo of 0.6. It is important to note that the results are only for 56 buildings. They don't represent the savings for the whole UC Davis campus. Here are the source energy savings for cooling, combined gas and electric heating, fan, and HVAC systems. The results for the HVAC are the savings from the cooling and fan minus the additional energy needed for heating. The combined heating needs to use more energy because there's less incoming heat during the winter. The energy savings is slightly negative. However, the additional energy needed is much smaller than the energy savings from cooling and fans. These are the cost savings. Like before, heating costs slightly more. However, the HVAC system can save more than $8,000 per year. The University of California Carbon Neutrality Initiative has the goal of making the UC system have net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2025. My calculations show that reflective paint can save up to 16 metric tons of CO2 per year. Thus, the HVAC system can save over 17 metric tons of CO2 equivalent. NOx is not a greenhouse gas, but it is an important air pollutant related to smog formation and nitric acid. Almost 16 kilograms of NOx per year can be abated. Finally, sulfur dioxide is the air pollutant that causes sulfuric acid deposition. The HVAC system can save over 4 kilograms of SO2 per year. My next step is to calculate the actual albedo for 56 campus buildings. My previous results assumed that campus walls had an albedo of 0.25, but the survey will make the savings results more accurate for the UC Davis campus. The image on the left shows the order of how I will visit some buildings once the shelter-in-place order is lifted. I will use a Surface Optics 410 solar reflectometer to make the albedo measurements. Once I've finished calculating the savings, I will make a formal recommendation for the University of California Carbon Neutrality Initiative.